one of the complaints about Business Central is going to be, hey, it's nice that I can see my sales transactions, like my sales invoices. Just to bring this home, I can see my sales invoices, but I'd like to know what lines make up this, what products or lines make up this 10,731. You could get into that by drilling back to the document and seeing the document. But for analysis, it might be nice to drop all the lines out to Excel or do some calculations on the lines. So what I'm saying here is to have a list of these lines and the document that they're on is how we're describing this. So now instead of a document level list, we now have a line list that now makes up what items across. So if you notice here, you see this invoice number ending in 200 has two lines on it, one for a Sydney chair and one for an Atlanta chair. And then let's say you wanted to do some analysis to say, hey, I'd really like to know how many of these Antwerp conference table I sold across many documents. You could do that pretty quickly by just doing a filter. And now you just get a short list of, hey, these are all the times that I sold this particular product. And then I could drill back and say, all right, let's go check it out and see what I want to see the invoice. And then this would bring me back to that invoice and I could see who the customer is and more information about the invoice. So these lists are things that didn't exist prior to this release. You could not get a line level list like this until now. So this actually gets published in October, so in just a few days. And then they did the same thing on the purchase side of the fence with purchase line. So same thought process is you're getting the line level information across multiple purchase orders or purchase invoices for that matter. And you can do the same kind of analysis. Like I'd like to see, it looks like I'm selling this Tokyo chair a bunch of times. So let's filter down on that. And you can see I've only sold that, I only purchased that item 2 times.